know, in spite of what Mother Nature threw at us in Nebraska this year, people are still hopeful for that great peach off the tree. So I get to talk to Vaughn Hammond about how exactly to prune your peach trees. Vaughn, pruning peaches is a little different than pruning apples, so when do we prune peaches for the best results?
Peaches are a little bit different. They are such a early blooming type of fruit, along with apricots, that really we wait to the very last minute to prune peaches, just in case we get that really early, or I guess it would be really late freeze.
So Vaughn, why exactly do we prune the peaches the way we prune them?
Same reason we prune for apple trees. We're really opening up that tree for the increased sunlight penetration and again the increased air movement throughout the structure of the tree itself.
All right, Vaughn, the technique for pruning peaches also looks to be a little bit different than it is for the one that we use for apples. Is this true?
Okay, unlike the apple tree, we still want to have a very open tree, so we're pruning to an open vase system where sunlight can penetrate down into the center of that tree. The other difference is that we're really looking for only 3 to 4 at the most scaffold branches in which to produce that fruit and all the wood that's off of it. Peach trees are really quite unique in that peaches bear fruit on 1-year-old wood, and it's really easy to tell 1-year-old wood on a peach tree because it tends to be very vibrant in color. It can be vibrant orange or red or even tending towards yellow. But it's really important to realize that that brightly colored wood is where this year's peaches are coming from themselves. One thing about this tree, you can tell that there's a lot of growth. And you're really looking for about 18 inches maximum. So when you're pruning, you're coming back and tipping each and every one of these branches in order to create a good stable structure for that peach to hang off of. So one of the main insect pests, actually 2 insect pests that attack peaches, is the greater and the lesser peach tree borer. One attacks the trunk, the other attacks the scaffold branches just 3 to 4 foot out from the trunk. It tends to be a little bit larger wood, whereas wood this size is too small for the peach tree borer to actually attack. It needs to have a little bit more substantial size to it in order for the peach tree borer to penetrate.
So I really appreciate that information, and I'm sure our audience just can't wait to bite into that luscious peach.
Yeah, and don't forget to use the napkin.